Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to learn how to make delicious baked chicken, and trust me, it's going to be so easy and tasty that you'll want to make it again and again. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. You'll need 1. Chicken 2. Vegetable oil 3. Salt 4. Pepper 5. Spices of your choice optional now. Let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take your chicken and wash it off, then place it on a baking sheet. Now, here's the fun part, it's time to season your chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to use a mixture of salt, pepper, and a few other spices. Feel free to experiment with your favorite spices or even create your own blend. Just remember, less is more when it comes to seasoning. Once your chicken is seasoned to perfection, drizzle a little vegetable oil over it. This will help the seasoning stick and give your chicken a beautiful golden brown color. Now, pop your chicken in the oven and let it bake for about 45 minutes. If you're using larger chicken pieces, you might need to adjust the cooking time. And there you have it, delicious, juicy, and flavorful baked chicken. Serve it up with your favorite sides and enjoy a meal that's both healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!